Even if you're a big fan of Turkish dramas, you might learn something new in this video. Turkish dramas are unique, unlike any other TV shows. They're fascinating and satisfying with their incredible stories. They've also become a global phenomenon, having a big cultural impact worldwide. Many of these dramas tell stories of forced marriages, which are thrilling and shocking to watch. But which Turkish dramas are the best in this genre? In this video, we'll cover the top 7 forced marriage Turkish dramas with English subtitles available on YouTube. Let's get started. Miran Aslanbey is a young, successful businessman who is both charming and cold-hearted. After losing his parents, he was raised by his grandmother, who filled him with a desire for revenge against the Adolu family, whom he blames for his parents' deaths. Miran's life changes when he meets Reyhan, the daughter of Hazar Adolu. Though they come from opposing families, Miran proposes to Reyhan as part of his plan for revenge. Despite her initial doubts, Reyhan starts to trust Miran and even develops feelings for him. But Miran is torn between his growing love for Reyhan and his thirst for revenge. Hırkay is the story of an impossible love, built on a foundation of lies and revenge. Will Reyhan find out about Miran's plan before it's too late? Can Miran let go of his past, or will it destroy any hope of happiness? You can find out by watching Hırkay, available with English subtitles on YouTube. Ferhat is a cold and ruthless hitman, shaped by a difficult past and bound by duty to his uncle. Asıl, on the other hand, is a compassionate doctor who believes in love and goodness. Their worlds collide when Asıl is forced to marry Ferhat to save her life. Asıl tries to melt Ferhat's icy heart, while Ferhat struggles with his dangerous life and growing feelings for Asıl. This drama explores whether love can blossom between two people from completely different worlds. In Turkish, this drama is called Siyah Beyaz Aşk, and in English, it's known as Price of Passion. You can experience their intense love story with English subtitles on YouTube. Kemal Soydere is a young mining engineer in his final year of college. He works hard on boats to support his family, despite not living in luxury. Nihan Sejin, a beautiful young woman from a wealthy family, is a painter who spends her days creating portraits. One day, Nihan steps out of her privileged life and takes a regular bus to find new faces for her art. By chance, she meets Kemal, and their lives change forever. Despite coming from different worlds, Kemal and Nihan fall deeply in love and are eager to marry. However, Emir, who has been in love with Nihan for years, goes to great lengths to win her heart. When Nihan's twin brother Ozan accidentally kills someone, Emir uses his power to cover up the crime. In return, Nihan agrees to marry Emir and ends her relationship with Kemal without any explanation. 5 years later, Kemal returns to Istanbul as a wealthy businessman and partners with Emir. The two former lovers' paths cross again, but their love is challenged by secrets and lies. This drama is known as Kara Sevda in Turkish and as Endless Love in English. Watch this heart-wrenching love story with English subtitles on YouTube. The Tarhun family is wealthy and well-respected. Hikmet Tarhun, the family patriarch, is diagnosed with a terminal illness and becomes worried about the future of his family. His son Emir is a carefree young man who prefers adventure over responsibility. Reyhan, a simple girl from the countryside, is brought to Istanbul by Hikmet, who wants her to marry Emir to secure his family's future. Although Emir is against the marriage, Reyhan agrees to fulfill Hikmet's last wish. Life in Istanbul is not easy for Reyhan, and Emir makes things even harder for her, but she stays true to her promise. As time goes on, Emir starts to see Reyhan's true beauty and strength. In Turkish, this drama is called Yemin, and in English, it's known as The Promise. You can watch this heartfelt drama with English subtitles on YouTube. Zuluf Badir Kavi is a young woman who is thrown into a well in a desolate area where even birds do not fly. Just as she is about to lose hope, she is rescued by Kenan Saybranoglu, a man who appears like a miracle. However, Zuluf is shocked to learn that Kenan is connected to a crime that happened 15 years ago, a crime that has caused a blood feud between their families. As their families are torn apart by violence, Zuluf and Kenan's love grows, offering a chance to end the cycle of hatred. This drama is known as Güvercin in Turkish and as The Pigeon in English. You can explore this emotional story with English subtitles on YouTube. Hajal, played by Hande Erçel, is a young and beautiful girl living in a small seaside town in Turkey. She is in love with Kenan, a local fisherman, and they dream of a simple, happy life together. However, their plans are shattered when Veril, a wealthy and powerful man with a dark past, becomes obsessed with Hajal. Veril, who has lost his wife in a tragic accident, sees Hajal as the spitting image of his deceased wife and becomes determined to make her his own. Hajal and Kenan's love is tested as they try to overcome the obstacles in their path, including Veril's dangerous obsession. In Turkish, this drama is called Siyah İnci, and in English, it's known as Black Pearl. You can watch this intense love story with English subtitles on YouTube. Sankar Efeolu is the son of a poor farmer, while Nare Selebay is the daughter of an ambassador. Despite their different backgrounds, they fall deeply in love and fight for their relationship against all odds. However, on the night of their wedding, Nare is raped by her stepbrother and disappears without a trace. Years later, Nare returns with a daughter, Melika, who she has kept a secret from Sankar. The two lovers are reunited, but their relationship is complicated by the secrets and pain of the past. In Turkish, this drama is called Seferin Kezid, and in English, it's known as The Ambassador's Daughter. Experience this dramatic love story with English subtitles on YouTube. These are the 7 Turkish drama series that feature the most thrilling and shocking forced marriages. If you've watched any of these, let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.